In this video, we are going to show you how much it costs to visit a Walt Disney World theme park during the summer of 2024. For individual day tickets, theme park admission prices for the Walt Disney World theme parks vary based on the specific date of your visit. Peak travel days, like holidays and weekends, command the highest ticket prices, while weekdays in late spring or early fall are the least expensive. We checked the Walt Disney World website for a number of individual dates for each of the 4 Disney theme parks, and the prices are not cheap. So if you plan on visiting this summer, be sure to bring your wallet. For Saturday, May 25th, the cost of a single-day adult ticket to the Magic Kingdom is $184 plus tax. Adult admission cost to both Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot is $179 plus tax, while Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park is $159 plus tax. Guests can add the park hopper option for $251 plus tax. For Saturday, June 15th, the cost of a single-day adult ticket is slightly less expensive. An adult ticket for the Magic Kingdom costs $174 plus tax. Disney's Hollywood Studios costs $169 plus tax, Epcot costs $159 plus tax, and Disney's Animal Kingdom costs $149 plus tax. The park hopper option is $233 plus tax. For Saturday, July 13th, the cost of a single-day adult ticket to the Magic Kingdom is $179 plus tax. Disney's Hollywood Studios costs $174 plus tax, Epcot costs $169 plus tax, and Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park costs $154 plus tax. Guests can add the park hopper option for his $244 plus tax. For Saturday, August 3rd, the cost of a single-day adult ticket to the Magic Kingdom is $169 plus tax. Adult admission cost to both Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot is $164 plus tax, while Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park is $144 plus tax. Guests can add the park hopper option for $231 plus tax. Those visiting Walt Disney World can find cost savings options when buying multi-day tickets. Individual options can range for up to 10 days. With the more days you buy, the more money you can save on the cost of a per-day visit. The costs for an adult 10-day, one-park-per-day ticket, which can be used on non-consecutive days within a 2-week period, are as follows. Starting from May 25th and ending June 7th, the cost for an adult 10-day, one-park ticket is $779.13 plus tax. The park hopper option increases the cost to $874.13 plus tax. Starting June 15th and running through June 28th, the cost for an adult 10-day, one-park ticket is $731.95 plus tax. The park hopper option increases the cost to $821.95 plus tax. Starting from July 13th and ending July 26th, the cost for an adult 10-day, one-park ticket is $734.26 plus tax. The park hopper option increases the cost to $824.26 plus tax. Starting from August 3rd and ending August 16th, the cost for an adult 10-day, one-park ticket is $674.52 plus tax. The park hopper option increases the cost to $764.52 plus tax. If your vacation plans call for a lot of time at the Disney parks, an annual pass might be something to consider. The least expensive pass is the Disney Pixie Dust Pass, which costs $439 plus tax and is for Florida residents only. This pass has blackout dates on weekends and holidays, so if you can visit during the week, it could be a good fit. The Disney Pirate Pass costs $799 plus tax and is also for Florida residents only. It has considerably less blackout dates, with available dates during most weekends in the summer. The Disney Sorcerer Pass is the one that we currently hold and is available to both Florida residents and Disney Vacation Club members. At $999 plus tax, it is not cheap, but blackout dates are limited to the Thanksgiving weekend and the holiday season. The Disney Incredi Pass is open to everyone and does not have blackout dates. This annual pass costs $1,449 plus tax and is the highest level offered at Walt Disney World. We hope you found this information useful in planning your Disney vacation. Check out some of the videos on our channel to learn more about the rides, attractions, and resort hotels at Walt Disney World. But before we let you go, join us for a ride on Guardians of the Galaxy, Cosmic Rewind.
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Drax!
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done? I think we jumped back.
Oh, Christ.
This classic game?
The big